Hey friends, if you wish to switch input and output on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and select sound. Okay. So it shows the output here, which is by default the speakers of the system. Like if it's a laptop, then it would be laptop speakers, but you can change them to headphones. Ideally, it should pick it up automatically, but it does not. The reason is that those output devices which are to be changed to the default output device, like if you're connecting a headphone, will not be detected as a separate headphone but will be detected as a replacement for speakers, so it will be counted in the speakers category. But if you see multiple outputs here, then you will have to change them manually, and the same goes for input. Okay, you'll have to change it manually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.